Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you where to find your run relay, guys. Very important relay. Without that relay your car will not run pretty much. That's why it's called run relay. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located and how to, guys, replace it. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, we guys make at least 200 videos, including this generation Dodge Dart. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money, you need to buy a new relay, car parts, tools, anything, guys. Check out the link in the description of the video below. I'll go ahead, open the hood, and I'll show you guys, okay, where that relay is now and how to get to it. So you guys have 3 different fuse boxes in your car, but the major one is under the hood. So we're going to explain where this one is and how to replace it now. So right here, guys, you have that cover. Okay, the cover, all we have to do, pull up. Okay, right here you press in, pull up, come out, and it comes like that, guys. Now the relay that we need to check, guys, is relay T07. Okay, as you can see, guys, you have the T is for a relay. Okay, right here, T07, F is for a fuse. So looking at it this way, guys, okay, that's how it corresponds to the fuse box layout. We're looking at this relay 2075. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. But how you guys replace those things? Some people will grab them with fingers and start pulling them, but those things are sometimes tight, super tight. I get pliers like that, and what I usually do, I grab it, guys, okay, in the middle, and pull it straight out. Okay, just like that. So this right here, guys, this is the relay, you can see. Now if you need to find the part numbers, anything like that, guys, if you need anything that will show you how to buy a new relay, we'll have the link and all that stuff. We'll have that link in the description of the video below. Check it out. So when you're ready, all we have to do, get the new one after that, and you install it, guys. How we install it, you grab it and okay, let me see which way it goes. Actually, it goes only one certain way. Okay, perfect, just like that. And after that, don't forget, guys, to install your cover on top. Okay, and you're ready to go. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Please don't hesitate to drop a comment if you need to know anything else. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support, and see you guys next time.